yeah. I just sort of showed that if he wants it and I've done it, then I don't have to come and film it. Yeah, because it's like, we wouldn't use it otherwise, you know. But oh, it's a beautiful designs, aren't they? Aren't they just gorgeous?
Yeah, and then that boy.
I don't have any grandchildren.